Welcome to Fast Excel Lessons. I'm Chris Sommerhoff. This lesson shows how to create Excel's concatenate function. It combines into one cell what's in two or more other cells. The concat function and ampersand character do the same thing. Here's a simple report showing employee first and last names. Say you want to combine them in another column using concatenate. Select the first cell and enter =, concatenate, left parenthesis, select the first name cell, comma, enter a space between quotes so the words in the combined name will be apart, comma, select the last name cell, right parenthesis, press enter, and copy the formula down. The whole names have then been created. You could also create the combined whole names in a last name, comma, first name format. Select the first cell and type =, concatenate, left parenthesis, select the last name cell, comma, enter a space between quotes, comma, select the first name cell, right parenthesis, enter, and copy the formula down. To combine with the ampersand character, select the first cell and type =, select the first name, enter the ampersand character, between quotes enter a space, ampersand, select the last name cell, enter, and copy the formula down. Use the concatenate function or ampersand when you want to combine two or more cells. Go to the Fast Excel Lessons YouTube channel and see more free lessons.